What are the things that you need to know before you start content creation, before you start filmmaking as a beginner? Hello, my name is Anas Richard. Welcome to Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. On this channel or on this platform, what we basically do is, as part of our social responsibility, all the knowledge, all the skills that we have acquired throughout the years in filmmaking, throughout the years in content creation, we gathered it all and pass it on to the next generation. We pass it on to the youth out there through learning, so that they will also acquire the knowledge. They will also be able to learn and make something good out of this business. So if you are new here, all that we want you to do is to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell for all the content that we'll be creating. You can follow us, share our content so that it will reach a larger audience. This year, our learning or our tutorials are going to be in season. We are going to do it like a movie. So we start with season 1. So season 1 is full of starting a filmmaking or starting a content creation as a beginner. What are the things that you need to know before you start content creation, before you start filmmaking? Number 1, you must have a targeted audience. This content that I'm about to produce, is it for the corporate world, or is it for weddings, or is for documentaries? Okay, if it's documentary, who are my targeted audience? Okay, I'm doing it for this group of people. If it is let's say a TV commercial, these are my targeted audience. These are the people that I'm looking out for. Number 2, plan a content that would attract your targeted audience. What kind of content that I need to do or I need to produce that will attract them? You need to have that in mind. Number 3, do a lot of research. You need to research about the content that you want to produce. Always write how you want to produce that content, how you want to bring that content out there, the concept you want to use in producing that content for your audience. Number 4, learn the camera techniques. You see, content creation or filmmaking is all about using a camera, whether a phone camera or a pro camera. You need to learn the techniques, how to use that camera, the settings and other things. You need to learn all those things. Number 5, learn how to edit. Learn how to edit, how to put those footages together to come out with the nice content you are looking for. The last thing that you need to do is to market your content. Have an idea where your audience are located. These days we all know that technology has taken over and social media is the future. Anything that you want to market, anything that you want to put it out there for the world to see, for the masses to buy into your idea, is social media. So know all those social media platforms that your audience are. So these are the few tips that you need to know whenever you want to enter into content creation or filmmaking as a beginner. And in our next episode, we'll go down deep into the camera techniques, and you can check in my other videos. I did a tutorial on how to use your cell phone to take good pictures and video or to create content, but we are still going to do more, especially with the camera techniques. Thank you, and this is Experience with Anas the Filmmaker. See you on the other side.